Never believe this. And our puppet friends, our crayon friends, wanted to come and talk to us again this morning. Do you guys know we have some crayons that live here at the church? And they like to come and tell us their stories. I know, isn't that kind of funny? Yeah, they are. They are a little funny sometimes. But they have more they want to come talk to us about. They've been coming every few weeks to tell us some things. So should we see if they're here and they're ready to go? Should we see? Crayons, is anyone there? That's kind of weird. They wanted to talk to us. Hey, crayons, is anyone in there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, okay. But hello? Who is that? Just let me look inside. I'll check and see. Oh.
No, don't look.
Oh, why can't I look? Who's there?
It's just me, Green.
Oh, well, Green, come on out. Why don't you come out and talk to us?
No, I can't do that.
Oh, well, why not? Is everything okay?
Oh, no, it's not. It's not.
Okay, well, where, Green?
Someone removed my wrapper, and now I'm naked.
Naked?
Yeah, I'm naked.
Oh.
It's so embarrassing. Why would someone do this to me? I can't bring myself to hardly leave the box. It's so embarrassing.
Oh my goodness. You know, I don't know if I'm equipped to handle this situation. Gosh, what should we do? Maybe we could find you something to wear. How about a choir robe? Do you guys have any extra choir robes back there?
No. Crayons don't wear choir robes. We have wrappers.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to look different from everyone else. I want my wrapper back.
Oh, okay. Deep breath, Screen. Okay, all right. Well, can you tell us do you know where your wrapper is? Can we go get it?
It was thrown away last week.
Oh, no. Okay, well, maybe we can make you a new wrapper. These kids are really crafty. They could definitely come up with something really nice for you to wear, Green. I'm sure of it.
It just wouldn't be the same. Face it. I'm going to be naked forever.
Gosh.
What is all this racket?
Oh.
This is worse than the sound of a pencil sharpener.
Oh, Blue, I am so glad to see you. Green has a big problem, and I just can't seem to help her with it.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
What's the issue?
Well, Green is naked.
Naked.
Yeah.
Well, what about a choir robe?
I tried that already, Blue. Yeah, she's naked.
Well, I guess we could send all the kids to the dump and have them sift through weeks of garbage.
Oh.
How does that sound, kids?
Do you guys want to go to the dump and look for Green's wrapper? No, I don't think that's a good option. I think we have to think of... Green, it's okay. I think we have to find something else.
I've got it.
Okay.
We need an expert on being different.
Absolutely. Mm-hmm.
We need my cousin, Ocean Blue.
Ocean.
Hey, Ocean.
Okay.
Can you join us for a moment?
Hey dudes, how's it going?
Oh.
What happened to you? Oh.
What do you mean, dude? Do I have something stuck in my teeth?
You're so short.
Oh, that. You see, there was this flood.
A flood? Whoa, here in the church flood?
Well, no, in Noah's Ark, coloring book.
The coloring book.
Anyway, that flood required a lot of ocean blue water. It took a lot out of me and off me to complete that flood, but I did it. It was my crowning achievement, my magnum opus.
But now you don't look like everyone else.
Well, of course not. It has caused some difficulties, but it's like copacetic. I can't draw any big skies or oceans anymore, but I don't mind. I feel good about just being me.
Oh, dude.
So wait a minute, you're okay with being different?
Sure. I'm an individual, but you're not that different yourself. There are lots of crayons that don't have wrappers, especially in California.
Really? Well,
Very true.
Maybe
very
I
true.
should just move to California then. Well, I've never seen any without wrappers, I have to tell you.
Well, you know, that's because they like to hang out at the bottom of the crayon box. Being as small as I am, I tend to get shifted to the bottom a lot. I don't mind. I've met tons of interesting characters down there, and lots of them don't have wrappers. In fact, they have way more fun than crayons at the top of the box.
Really?
Nobody sees them down there, so they get away with all kinds of things. Parties, you know, parties with a lot of games.
I've heard
You
stories.
should see the things they draw by rubbing their sides on paper.
Whoa, I had no idea.
Well, you know, dude, sometimes a change is just what you need to see things in a new way.
Oh, well, that's exciting. I've got to get going. I need to get to the bottom of that box.
Oh, wow. Well, thank you so much, Ocean Blue. You have really helped this morning.
Oh, anytime, dude. Now, I've got to get going myself. You know, the naked crayons are holding a limbo contest. Now, as short as I am, I'm going to win.
Oh, I love a good limbo. Let's go, everybody.
All right. Oh, my goodness. You just never know what those crayons are going to be up to, do you? My goodness. Well, I am so glad that Green realized that being different wasn't such a bad thing. She wasn't so different than everybody else, was she? Let's say a prayer, and then let's head downstairs, and I think we should peek in the bottom of the crayon box. What do you guys think? You think they're having a party down there? Maybe. We'll have to go find out. All right, will you bow your heads and will you say a prayer with me? Will you repeat after me? Dear God, thank you for making us just the way we are. Help us to find ways to serve you with our unique talents and gifts. And all God's children said, Amen. I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you downstairs right away for Children's Church.